Good evening, friends. Welcome to this episode of Sahakar Sutra. I am Dayanand Nene. Friends, today we are going to look at the issue of how to recover money from defaulters. What should a cooperative housing society do to recover money from defaulters? That is, people who don't pay the society maintenance dues. Friends, defaulters are defined as people who don't pay the society maintenance dues for a period of 3 months and more. Society normally writes them letters, makes requests to them, but such members just do not pay, and the amounts start piling up. Friends, as you are aware, cooperative housing societies are non-profit bodies. They are not supposed to make profits, or they are not supposed to charge fancy monies from members so that they make a surplus. So the society solely depends on the members' contribution to the maintenance charges every month to run the society affairs. And if you have members who don't pay the society, then naturally the society's budget goes awry, and then society management faces problems as to how to run the society properly. The MCS Act 1960 has provided a section called Section 101, which the society managements can use in cases wherein members have not paid their maintenance dues for over 3 months, are termed defaulters. This section can be used by the societies to recover their money. So what is the procedure to recover money from defaulters as per Section 101? As a first step, the society should write a polite letter giving all details of the default of the member and ask him to pay the defaulted amount along with the interest to the society's office within 7 days from the receipt of the letter. The society can charge up to 21% interest from such defaulters. If the member still doesn't pay the society after a gap of 15 days can write a second letter, that is the first reminder letter, to the member and ask him to pay that amount as early as possible, that is immediately on receipt of the letter. In case the member still doesn't pay the society can file a petition with the Deputy Registrar's Office submitting all details of the member's default and request the Registrar's Office to initiate proceedings under Section 101 of the MCS Act against the defaulting member by paying the requisite court fee, which ranges from 15 rupees to 1000 rupees as per the case. This payment has to be made via a challan to the Reserve Bank of India. After the payment is made, the Deputy Registrar Office then, on request letter of the society, initiates action against the defaulting members. He probes whether the complaint of the society is true or false. He initiates hearings where he calls the defaulting members to hear his side of the story, and if the society is proved right, the Registrar's Office then issues a recovery certificate to the society against that particular member. On receipt of the recovery certificate, the society office or the cooperative society can then approach the state government court, wherein the recovery officer issues a demand notice to the society and a copy of that to the sales officer, who is appointed for recovery of the money from that individual member. The sales officer then, armed with the demand notice, approaches the member's house and hands over the demand notice to him. Then he lists out all the movable property of the members which is there in the house, takes the signature of the member and hands over that movable property to the society office. While doing so, the sales officer tells this member that he has to immediately pay within a reasonable period of time, which is negotiated with the member. The member has to immediately pay that amount to the society office. If the member still doesn't pay the money, then the last and extreme stage of auctioning the property of the member begins. The sales officer initiates the auction of the property of the member, recovers money from that auction, hands over that portion of the defaulted amount to the society, and if there is any surplus, he hands it over to the defaulting member. Friends, this is the process of the recovery under section 101 of the MCS Act against defaulting members. So much for today. Thank you very much.